This is what happens after Christmas. The pegs look like they have something on it, but they don't. Because it's adventure machines and metal machines, which are really cheaply made and pretty shitty. Oh, hi. Where'd you come from?
From the bank, here,
The bank. What have we got here?
40K.
Oh, okay, thank you. Now I have some money to buy stuff, but there's nothing to buy, so that kind of defeats the purpose, I guess. That's all they got for monsters. They're all the same, as you can see, every one. This. I mean, that's like 25 bucks for this. And there's one. As I mentioned, metal machines. A few cars. Oh, that one's pretty cool, actually, but, you know, that's 16 bucks, 15, 16 bucks. And then we've got, there's no way this is 6,000, okay. We got the 5-packs. Oh, that's not so bad, that one. Actually a nice 5-pack. These are $12, so not the best deal on the planet, that's for sure. Then we got some color shifters. And this is all the Hot Wheels right here. Wow. That's brutal. Not much here at all. Some big fire trucks. Hot Wheels skate. This is just all the stuff that didn't sell. So hopefully they get something new in very soon, because this is not what I bargained for.